Hello everybody, welcome back to my Learn Scratch channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a penguin chirp in Scratch. It's like a simple tutorial where the penguin chirps, and you can use ungrouping, which takes out the one that you have grouped, like for example in the costumes. I'll be showing you that today. So I hope you like it. So now let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I hope you like my intro. You can favorite it on my profile. I've sent the link. So now let's go ahead and click the create button. As you can see, we are at the screen. Now we just need to pick a backdrop and a sprite, and then I'm going to show you how they get the penguin sprite. So let's go ahead and pick a backdrop. I'm going to pick the Arctic or something. Oh, there it is. Okay, now we're gonna pick our penguin. So type penguin in search. As you can see, there are two penguins. This one's waddling, this one's talking. So we can put this penguin in a particularly nice place for the penguin. And then as you can see, this is grouped. So you can just click ungroup. Just to show that you can ungroup the thing or the whole penguin. And as you can see, it's like Scratch just made this penguin sprite. You can take anything, you can add it to your backpack, and this is the walking thing. You don't have to use that, but we're gonna be only using A and B costumes. Now what we're going to do is we are going to be doing some code for this penguin. So now drag out when green flag clicked. So the moment will happen when the green flag is clicked. As you can see, the code is not nothing because I haven't added any code. So as you can see, this penguin is here. What if we drag it to the position? So drag out a go to block and put it there. And then, oh no, what if I put it to the sky and its head is like up? So when you click the green flag, it's back down. We also then point in direction 90, and we can also do show and go to front layer, and then go forward some layers, because what if you make the backdrop a sprite, and then that sprite will be covering the penguin. So what if you wanted to remix and do that? So we're gonna do go forward one layers. If you do go forward backward one layers, then it's gonna be back. Like, let me show you if it works for this. As you can see, it's not working because there's no sprite above the this penguin, so there's only a backdrop. So if we made this a sprite, for example, then it would be like on top of it, but it will be covering since you put your sprite there. You just made it. So what you have to do is you just have to say go forward one layers, or you can just say go to front layer and it'll pop. It's going to be in the middle of the thing that you made. Okay, now we're going to just get back to the code. So how to do this code is, after waiting, we're going to wait a few seconds. For example, I would wait 1.5 seconds or 1.1 seconds. And now we're going to make it chirp. How do you make it chirp? Well, because of its costumes, as you can see, there are two costumes here. We're going to be using that in the code. So we're going to be using the costumes multiple times. So what we have to do is you have to drag out a few wait blocks, since we're going to be waiting in the middle of each costume. And then we're going to do switch costume to penguin B, sorry, and then penguin B, and put that there, and then wait 1 second. So you can do 0.1 seconds, so it will chirp faster. And we're going to also add a start block, which is a start sound chirp. You can also add a broadcast message or a block. Maybe we can name this chirp. And then we're gonna make the bird chirp. So put that there, over there. and then put the chirp block from here and put that there. So it happens after it waits 0.1 seconds and then it does a chirp. Oh, so it seems like it's not like closing its mouth. We want it to close its mouth, right? So we don't want it to keep just opening its mouth. It's not talking anything. So what we're going to do is we are going to add another block. For example, we're going to add another penguin A block. I just duplicated it. Now just put that there. If you wanted to do it multiple times, for example, I would like my penguin to do it 10 times, but what if it's doing too fast? Well, what you can do is you can do this. You can wait a few seconds after that, and then you can start to sound the chirp. For example, we wanted to wait 1 second, and then it's going to start the sound chirp. Now let's go and see check out our project. So you can see it's chirping. There you go. Seems like this costume is like up, down, up, down. We're supposed to make it like it's chirping multiple times, but I accidentally must have moved the penguin. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that costume. Yes, here it is. So now it won't go up. Go up. Sorry, I ungrouped it, so and then just showed it to you. So anyways, here's how our penguin looks. Oh, it seems like it's not chirping because of the costumes. I don't know. It has to switch the costume. Okay. Oh, so I think it's starting the sound chirp. So we don't have to use wait 1 second. We can just make the bird sound start sound to chirp because whoa. Now it's just like going super fast. So how about we just do only 1 time? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just make it 1 time. So it just chirps 1 time when you do your my block chirp. So then it's gonna be able to do the sound. So as you can see, it's chirped. Oh, so as you can see, there's a little bug here. As you can see, there's a little bug. So we can take out this thing and my blocks also. So we're gonna put this start sound chirp when the green flag is worked. Okay, wait. I think you have to do next costume. Repeat 3. Repeat 3 times. It's gonna repeat 3 times. Wait 1 second, and then it's gonna do next costume. So as you can see, this is probably gonna work. Whoa, you see that? That's so cool. How do we do 2 steps now? 2. Okay, 3. Oh, uh-oh. Next costume, I'm gonna do it again. Don't worry, I'm gonna do it again. Okay, there you go. There you go, you have a cute little chirpy bird. This is so cute. Adorable. This is an adorable little chirpy bird. Oh, it's a little chirpy bird. You're so cute. You can also change the color of the bird. So, yeah. You can do your own changes. I'm not mentioning that you could do those changes. You can just probably change the color. Probably change the color of this. For example, you wanted to do this. I'll just do this. And you can take the penguin color and then put that there. Fill it. There you go. You have a cute little penguin, chirpy penguin there, right there. You can change it to any bird you'd like. For example, you want to change it to a duck, you can do the same code as this one. But you can change the backdrop if you want to blue sky too or something. And you can make the bird chirp. You can do whatever you want because I'm not mentioning this is for you. I'm not telling you that you can do the same thing, same project as I did, but you can make any project you want. You can add any bird, you can change some costumes, or you can make more costumes. For example, you wanted to add a penguin bouncing a ball and then chirping, or maybe you wanted to just make have a hat or something, or maybe you just wanted the penguin to go somewhere, go to a random position, or maybe go to this hilltop and then go start sound chirp, or maybe you can change the size or anything. Well, that was the whole penguin, how to make the penguin chirp um, tutorial in Scratch. I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my awesome Learn Scratch videos. Bye guys. Keep doing Scratch. I can't wait to see you next time.